Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to continue class 10 science practice paper number 8. This is part C biology and part 3 key answers. So in the last video we have answered all the questions related to part B chemistry of class 10 science practice paper number 8. So now let us see the first question of biology, that is ninth main. The first question is in amoeba. In amoeba, food is digested in the dash: food vacuole, mitochondria, pseudopodia, chloroplast. Among these four answers, the right answer is option A, food vacuole. So food in the food vacuole, the food will get digested. So 15th A, that is food vacuole. So now let us move for question number 16. So in the question number 16, they have given glycolysis. Glycolysis process occur in which part of the cell? Cytoplasm, nucleus, mitochondria, chloroplast. So glycolysis, that is conversion of glucose into pyruvate, will takes place in cytoplasm. Either it may be aerobic or anaerobic, it will takes place in cytoplasm itself. Therefore the right option for 16th question is option A, that is cytoplasm. So now let us move for the 10th question, that is 10th main 17th question. So the 10th main 17th question is, what process in plants is known as transpiration? So in plant, what process in plant is known as transpiration? So the process of loss of water, the process of loss of water from the aerial part of the from the aerial part of the from the aerial part of the plant body. This process is called as transpiration. So now let us move for 11th main, that is 18th question. So in the 11th main 18th question they have given, so name the enzyme present in saliva and write its function. So what is the name of the enzyme present in saliva, and we have to write its function. So let us answer 18th question. So the name of the enzyme that present in saliva is called as salivary amylase. The name of the enzyme is salivary amylase. And what is the function of salivary amylase? The first function is it moist the food. The first function is it moist the food. Second one is it kills harmful microorganisms. It kills harmful microorganisms. And the third function is that it converts, this salivary amylase will convert starch into glucose. So these are the three functions of salivary amylase, an enzyme that present in saliva. So now let us move for the next question, that is question number 19. So how is the process of transpiration useful to plant? So let us answer this question now. So for this one, this question is the meaning of this question is how that is transpiration is a necessary evil. So when transpiration takes place, in the leaves part, it requires water. It requires water for photosynthesis. It requires water for photosynthesis. The leaves will pull the water from the leaf will pull water from leaves, in the sense the xylem of leaves. The xylem of leaves will pull the water from nearby xylem, like that, by the adjacent xylem. Water will be pulled and it pulls the water from roots to leaves. That means due to transpiration, the water will be pulled. The water will be pulled. The water will be pulled from roots to leaves, called as transpiration pull. So if the transpiration takes place only, so the transpiration pull will occur. Then only water will be transported from roots to leaves. So this is the answer for 19th question. Now let us move for the 20th question. So the 20th is 12th May. What is peristaltic movement? 1. Why do herbivorous need a longer small intestine and carnivorous need a shorter small intestine? So first let us answer what is peristaltic movement. So this is 12th main and 20th question. This is 12th main and this is 20th. In 20th, let us answer the first question. What is meant by peristaltic movement? The rhythmic contraction and relaxation of muscles of esophagus to make food to move from buccal cavity to stomach. So this is answer for peristaltic movement. So in next question they have given, why do herbivorous will have longer small intestine and carnivorous will have shorter small intestine? So why the herbivorous will have longer small intestine? Because it is very difficult to digest. It is very difficult to digest cellulose. Why the carnivorous have small intestine? Because it is very easy to digest meat. So this is the answer for 12th main, 20th question. Now let us move for 13th main, that is 21st question. So this is the last question. So in that question they have given, what is the role of HCl in our stomach? Explain how digestion takes place in small intestine. So now let us answer both the questions. So first question in that one, So what is the role? So what is the role of What is the role of HCl? What is the role of HCl in our stomach? So let us write what is the role of HCl in our stomach. The first role of HCl is it creates acidic medium for pepsin to act. This is the first function or role. The second role is that it kills harmful microorganisms. It kills harmful microorganisms. So these are the two role of that what we call it as HCl in our stomach. Now let us see how the digestion that takes place in a small intestine. So 21st big question. Small intestine has three parts. The first part is called duodenum. The first part is called duodenum. The food from stomach move to duodenum. Duodenum is connected to gallbladder which receives or which stores bile juice secreted by liver and pancreas which secretes three enzymes. So now bile juice will reach duodenum and digest fats present in food. Then pancreatic that is pancreas will secrete three enzymes. That is pancreatic juice will have three types of enzyme. The first enzyme is called as pancreatic amylase. This pancreatic amylase will convert that is it helps in pancreatic amylase digestion of carbohydrates. Then second one, pancreatic lipase it helps in digestion of fats. Then trypsin which acts in alkaline medium digest proteins. Next Second one, from duodenum, the digested food reaches jejunum, which is middle part of small intestine, which contains a finger-like projection called villi. Villi helps in, first one, to increase the area of absorption of digested food. Second one, it makes the digested food to flow into blood. Then the third part is called ileum. It receives undigested food. So this is how the digestion takes place in small intestine. So by this we have completed the practice paper number 8. So in the next video we are going to answer for practice paper number 9. So till then, thank you very much. Still, those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Those who already subscribed, please watch my videos, like my videos and share my videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for the next video. Thanks everyone for your great support. Once again, thank you very much.